morning, everybody. Welcome back to our channel. So welcome back to another grocery haul. And as you guys know, if you've been watching me for the month of June, I'm participating in the low spend month as far as my groceries are concerned, really as far as everything is concerned, because it's all low spend or no spend for us. But June specifically is our low spend month for groceries. So due to just finances being the way they were, we were already about $120 shorter in grocery budget this month than we were last month. So I was operating with about $188 worth of grocery money. I actually got 40 of those dollars that I used specifically for super doubles. So $148 for 4 weeks, which rounded out to about $37 each week for 4 weeks. So with that being said, here's what I was able to get from my grocery store shop at Harris Teeter. Let me show you this before I show you go through the haul. So I do have my menu plan, and then I have my doable meals. So those are meals we can make with what I have in the house, with things that in my pantry, my fridge, and my freezer, my garage freezer, and my garage pantry. So this week's grocery haul was really just to fill in and go with those or supplement those items. So again, I was shopping with, and I actually was shopping with about $30. $30 is what I took out of my envelope this morning when I went to get my groceries. And here is what I was able to get. So they had these hamburger buns and they had hot dog buns on sale for 47 cents each, a limit of 4. So I did not have a coupon for these, but I did get 3 hot dog buns because we have hot dogs and we have Coleman sausages in the freezer outside. So tonight we're actually going to change our menu plan and do chili dogs. I'm not sure if that was on the menu for tonight. It's loaded mash, but I'm going to do chili dogs and I'll move loaded mash to another night. So 47 cents a piece for those. These English muffins were $2.79 buy one get one free, so I bought one at $1.40, and I figured the kids could have eggs, English muffins, and sausage for their breakfast because they were really just having eggs and grits because that's what we had. So we're going to use these English muffins, and I allow us each to have 1/2 of an English muffin per day. So that gives us 2 whole English muffins per week, or 4 days. So we're only doing half because that's about 2 smart points. The next thing I was able to get were these butterballed. These are fully cooked turkey sausages. They only had the patties this time. Normally I get the links because you get 12 instead of 8. But these were on sale 2 for $5 or $2.50 a piece. And I had a 55 cents off coupon that doubled to $1.10. So these were $1.40 each. And I had 4 coupons and I got 4 boxes, which makes 32 sausages, which gives us 10 a piece, and the kids can have 11. So 11 days worth of sausages if I'm just doing meals in my head. Like, how much am I going to have? The next thing I got, and these coupons actually came from my coupon friend in Texas. So thank you so much for sending the happy mail with the coupons. These were on sale 2 for $5 again this week, and I had or $2.50 a piece. So I had a 75 cents off coupon that doubled to $1.50. These were $1 a piece, and I bought the juices again so the kids could have. They are allowed 1 juice box per day. So that's enough for 8 days worth of juice boxes. Going back to I always try to keep fresh veg in the freezer if I can. The Harris Teeter veg were on sale again this week. I got peppers, I got 2 chopped onions, and I got 1 cauliflower. They were on sale for 99 cents a piece. These are not the steamable kind, but what I like to do is put peppers and onions in almost any meal that I make, and they just add and stretch for us. So 99 cents a piece here. The next thing I got was, last week it was 5 ears of corn for $2. This week it was 8 ears of corn for $2. So I was able to get the corn. So what I'll do is I'll take 8 ears of corn. That'll give us 8 different meals. Or I can chop the corn in 3s. That'll give us 24 pieces of corn. So again, I'm thinking meals. And sometimes we can do this for lunch. I made Mexican street corn. My kids really like that. So we can do that for a lunch, or we can do that for a dinner. The mixations was buy one get one free. I think I paid $1.50 for this, and I actually ended up having a 50 cents off coupon that I didn't see until after I was out of the grocery store. So this would have been 50 cents, but it's okay. It was on sale, buy one get one free. This is enough for 4, so the kids can have 2 apiece of those. And then these diced mangoes from Del Monte, they were on sale, buy one get one free at $1.40. So the kids can have 2 of those a piece. So I'm always thinking, what can they put with a lunch so they can have a sandwich or whatever the leftover is, plus one of these, maybe a juice box if they decide they want to have that for their lunch, and then they kind of have a rounded out meal. So I picked that up. The next thing I got was this Cook and Spray $1.49. I always keep Cook and Spray in the house just because I never want to run out. I went to the markdown bin, the markdown produce bin. They had 4 giant apples for $1, and Jackson loves apples, so I picked up these for him. They will only last the next day or 2, so he's going to have to eat those very quickly. Strawberries were on sale for 2 for $5, or buy one get one free, and I picked those up. Alana loves strawberries, so that'll be a good treat for her. My next fave item were the community coffee. These are pods. Last time they had a coffee on sale, I was able to get the bags, and I'm keeping that for my regular coffee maker. But the pods, because I made the single serve coffee station, these were $7.99, buy one get one free. And so I had a $4 off of 2, making these $3.99 or $2 a piece. Now somebody would say, well, maybe I could have saved that $4 and added it into groceries, you know, gotten additional groceries. And that is true, but we didn't need a whole lot. What I got was mostly fill-in items for the things that we already do have. So I thought it would be good to have 24 single-serve coffee pods, because they're regularly $8, and I paid $2 a piece for them. So they're regularly $8 a piece. $16, I only paid 4, so I saved $12. So to me, that was a good deal. So my balance on this shop trip was $31.85. I purchased 31 items. My manufacturer's coupons were $7.70. Double coupons was $3.70. My VIX savings was $24.27 for a total coupon savings of $35.67 or 53% savings. And year to date, I have saved $2,426.64. So to me, this was a good haul. I kind of sometimes leave the store going, oh man, I didn't really get a lot. But I had tough decisions to make this week. It was either get these items, because I had extra coffee coupons. I could have bought more coffee. But then I had to decide, you know, where was I going to eat that money from? So I'd rather just get the 2 for what I could fit into my budget versus getting 4 and still trying to figure out where I was going to, you know, how was I going to compensate for that money? Because this week, just because of the nature of our grocery budget, we are only at $30. And here it is, I was at $31.85. So I had some change in my purse and use that. So the goal this week for low spend is to spend only 70% of your budget. And because last month my budget was $75 a week, I'm already at less than that at I'm less than 50% of my budget for just based on what I had last month, what I had last month to spend. So I'm going to take this as a win. Again, I'm not sure what I'm going to have with these hamburger buns, but I think we have tilapia, so I may do fish, you know, fish sandwiches, and I think we do have some sliced cheese, so we may do this, or we may do bologna sandwiches, fried bologna sandwiches with the buns. I wanted to get mostly the hot dogs because we do have hot dogs and sausages, but I didn't want to leave the hamburger buns in case. And I think I have some pork ribs that I can make and shred, and we can have those on here too. So I only wanted to get one of those because I do have way more of the hot dog buns. But I could also take the buns and put the sausage in it, and then egg and a cheese, and make sausage, egg, and cheese buns. So that's an idea as well. But anyway, that is what we're doing this week for our low spend grocery budget. We hope that you are doing well on your low spend. Thank you so much to my coupon friends. I think Nicole sent me something, and then from Texas I got coupons, and that was what we got this week. Thank you guys so much for helping us out. During the summer months, I have no capability of printing coupons. So, you know, I have a friend who saves them for me. I'm actually heading over to her house and pick some up today. And then I do have some that I have printed that will last a couple months. So my summers are a little bit limited with finances as well as my ability to print. I probably could buy ink for my printer, but still that's going to be an expense, and I'll have to figure out how that's going to work. So anywho, I may just put it in the grocery budget. Who knows? But this is it for this week's grocery budget. If you like this video, be sure and give us a thumbs up. It just says, hey, we like your video. If you're new to our channel, hit the red subscribe button. We love to keep you as a part of our YouTube community. Also hit the little bell. That way you never miss an upload from us. Thank you so much for stopping by our channel. And until the next week's grocery haul, bye now.